Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Health and Beauty Tips. Today, I want to discuss one of the sweetest things found in nature, honey, and go over exactly what occurs to your body when you eat it. I'm happy to share with you the various health advantages and rich history of honey. Since there is a lot of misinformation out there about honey, I will clear some common misconceptions by focusing on credible scientific studies and research. Number 1. Better than normal sugar. When comparing honey to regular sugar, you might be surprised to learn that honey offers several benefits. Despite its sweetness, honey is not the same as table sugar or sucrose. Because the sugars in honey are absorbed more slowly, your blood sugar does not increase as quickly as drinking a soda. Honey also has antioxidants and healing qualities. White sugar is completely devoid of these chemicals. According to research, consuming a small amount of honey every day can actually lower fasting blood glucose levels in diabetics. How does it perform this? Honey, on the other hand, increases adiponectin, a hormone that reduces inflammation and helps control blood sugar levels to keep them nice and steady. This is not to say that people with diabetes can go crazy consuming honey. It still increases blood glucose levels, although not as dramatically. However, when used in balance as a substitute for refined sugar, honey looks to be a better option that may help in controlling diabetes. Just make sure your honey is of great quality and comes from a trusted source. Some dishonest organizations substitute honey by combining it with cheap corn syrup, which completely eliminates the health benefits. To achieve the genuine blood sugar balancing effect, buy raw, unfiltered honey from local beekeepers. Number 2. Cancer-fighting properties. When it comes to cancer-fighting foods, honey deserves a lot of attention. Certain molecules in honey have been discovered to disrupt internal signals used by cancer cells to expand and spread, according to scientists. Honey basically confuses and disturbs their communication, causing them to cease reproducing uncontrollably. Honey has also been shown in studies to stimulate the immune system, causing our body's natural cancer fighters to attack cancerous cells. Honey inhibited the growth of lung, skin, colon, prostate, mouth, bone, and several other cancer cell types in laboratory experiments. However, further human clinical trials are required to demonstrate honey's anti-cancer properties. The preliminary test results are promising, but don't start substituting honey for chemotherapy just yet. For the time being, including raw, local honey into a balanced diet offers overall health benefits but no definitive cancer-fighting properties. However, future research into how honey interacts with tumors may lead to integrative therapy. Honey isn't a cancer cure-all just yet, but the science is promising. Number 3. Beneficial to heart health. According to preliminary study, incorporating a small amount of honey into your regular diet may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. According to one large study, women who ate honey on a regular basis were less likely to have high blood pressure. Honey has been shown in studies to protect cardiac cells from oxidative damage and to regulate heart rhythms. It appears that those magical bees produce specific molecules, such as antioxidants in honey, that act as heart medicine. Raw honey contains propolis, a resin that has been shown in tests to lower harmful triglycerides and cholesterol. Of course, no single food is a magic cure, but incorporating local, unprocessed honey as part of an overall heart-healthy lifestyle could boost your cardiovascular system. Number 4. Helps in the treatment of asthma and colds. Honey has long been used to relieve scratchy throats and bothersome coughs. And now science is catching up, confirming that this natural cure works. According to research, honey may help to relieve asthma symptoms by lowering swelling in the airways. Antioxidants are known to combat inflammation, allowing you to breathe better. Honey has also been shown in several tests to reduce coughing caused by chronic bronchitis. Furthermore, honey contains antibacterial qualities that may stop those nasty cold and flu bugs in their tracks before they completely knock you down. A tablespoon of honey can help relieve fever, coughing, and congestion quickly. Though more large trials are needed, present research suggests that honey can be used as a natural cough and cold syrup to treat respiratory infections. It may not be as effective as asthma inhalers or as fast. Number 5. Helps to heal burns and wounds. Honey has been used for centuries to treat wounds and burns, and science is now confirming that it works. According to research on honey as a topical treatment, it is most effective for treating mild burns in the home or kitchen. It also aided in the healing of difficult wounds and infections following surgery. When applied directly to burns, Manuka honey, in particular, worked miracles. Honey's sugars may stimulate the growth of new skin cells, while natural antibacterial properties keep the wound clean and infection-free as it heals. Honey also generates a moist environment, which is perfect for the growth of new skin. Honey should never be used in place of immediate medical attention for severe burns. Dial 911 or seek medical attention immediately for severe burns. However, slathering honey on minor burns or difficult surgical wounds can speed up the healing process. More research is needed, but the initial evidence is sweet. Honey is more than just a tasty treat. It's a natural way to help your body heal faster. Number 6. It improves digestive health. This natural sweetener can help your digestion in a variety of ways, in addition to satisfying your sweet appetite. First, honey includes enzymes that aid in the breakdown of carbohydrates and other nutrients so that your body can absorb them more quickly. Honey's natural sugars are also pre-digested, which means they enter your bloodstream without stressing your digestive system like refined sugars do. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that act as fertilizer for the healthy bacteria in your stomach. Consuming a small amount of honey on a daily basis helps to increase the population of those beneficial microorganisms, hence promoting digestive health. Prebiotics flow undigested through your intestines, nourishing your probiotics directly where they dwell. Better digestion and immunity result from a well-balanced microbiota. It's no surprise that honey has been used as a digestive aid for ages throughout countries. If you're feeling sluggish, try a tablespoon of honey to kickstart your digestive tract. The enzymes increase energy, while the prebiotics feed gut microorganisms, resulting in a healthy interior. Number 7. Improves the health of children. Do you want to help your child grow up strong and smart? Try mixing a spoonful of honey into their oatmeal in the morning. According to research, providing tiny daily amounts of honey to children over the age of 1 year may improve cognitive ability, growth, and well-being. Honey-fed children exhibited greater memory, reduced anxiety, and gained a healthy weight as compared to those given plain, sterile water. Honey was also softer on tiny tummies than normal sugar and reduced crying outbursts. Furthermore, it assisted their bodies in absorbing more calcium for optimal bone formation. Honey also has skin advantages, leaving children with cleaner, more vibrant complexions. Raw honey, when consumed in moderation, provides developing children with a variety of nutrients not found in processed sweets. But don't put honey in your baby's bottle just yet. Due to the low risk of baby botulism, honey should be avoided for the first 12 months. After a year, feel free to add a teaspoon or 2 of honey to your toddler's daily diet. It's a healthy method to satisfy their sugar tooth and may help them grow. Remember, no honey for babies under the age of 1. A daily dose of golden honey might also help your children gain flavorful success. Number 8. Might assist acid reflux. Some research suggests that honey may coat and soothe the irritated esophagus and stomach. This could stop acid and undigested food from creeping upwards and causing discomfort. However, no major studies have directly tested if honey reduces acid reflux. When stomach acid frequently flows back up into your esophagus, it causes what's known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD. The symptoms are painful: heartburn, irritation, and regurgitation of stomach contents. The reasons behind acid reflux are complicated. While honey hasn't been proven to treat the root causes, adding a spoonful to your tea or yogurt is generally safe and may relieve symptoms. Those with chronic reflux issues should still see their doctor to discuss medications and lifestyle changes to manage them properly. But if you occasionally get hit with heartburn, add a spoon of honey to a glass of warm milk. Number 9. Resistance to antibiotics. According to research, honey frequently works better than over-the-counter medications or prescription antibiotics to ease coughs and sore throats. It reduced cough severity and frequency more than antibiotics, according to one review. This is crucial because overuse of antibiotics might result in resistance, which makes the medications less effective against viruses and bacteria. However, honey has built-in antibacterial properties that help combat illnesses without developing superbug resistance. Additionally, research has shown that one unique honey component may one day be used as an antibiotic. Thus, honey has great promise for use as a natural medicine and for the future development of novel medications. Of course, if you have a serious bacterial infection that needs intensive treatment, honey shouldn't take the place of prescription medicines from your doctor. However, a tablespoon of honey is a cheap, safe cure for minor colds and coughs. In conclusion, including honey into your diet can benefit many elements of your health. While too much sugar is bad for you, honey's balanced fructose and glucose concentration provides unique therapeutic effects when consumed in moderation. To acquire the most nutrients and get the healing, protecting advantages shown in scientific studies, choose raw, organic honey. Thank you for watching the video. Please share it with your friends and family if you enjoy it.